Is our smart home surveillance system, which is under leveraging our connected devices. We are having two devices. One of them is a camera that is installed at our home, offices, or anywhere there where there is the requirement. The second is your smartphone, your laptop, or any any device that you can carry by with you on your lappy if you are not at your home. So we have three concerned features that are fire, weapon, and intruder. A thief which enters your house illegally and you are unaware of, the weapon with which he carries, and fire if there is a fire caught due to leakage, gas leakages, or anything SOS concerned. So let's start with the fire detection when you are not present at your home. And here we see our device is catching the fire, and you can see the intensity of fire that is caught by our device. And let's check. The user will get an SMS to check his application, and when the user opens this application, that is smartsurveillance.com, and here he can see the fire that's red, and now he can click on the fire alarm or the fire brigade. The fire when the user clicks on this button, on just a click, a GPS location where the device is installed, that's your home basically, a message is sent to the fire brigade station that this place is under danger, so a needy team can reach air. As we saw the fire with the SMS sent and the fire alarm, we move on to the next parameter, weapon, that an intruder or a thief can carry along with him, and if the thief is masked and the device cannot record his face, we can predict it using a gun or knife that a thief carries. So here we go with the weapon detection. And here we see if a thief carries this gun along with him, it will get predicted, and we will see the red sign which is initially green, and an SMS will be sent to the user that an unknown activity has been taken out at his place. And here we go on to our web app, and if the user logins with smartsurveillance.herokuapp.com, he can see the weapon with this red sign, and now he can inform the police station by just clicking on this button, and an SMS would be sent about the unreasonable activity that's taking on in his place. If a thief enters your house and you are not available at your place, what about our app or device sending you an video call or the live view at the live time that someone has entered at your place and an illegal activity like theft is getting occurred? So your device that's installed at your home predicts or detects the face using an ML algorithm, and you can get to know who is inside your place using the live view in just a finger click. So here we go with the intruder detection. Here we see an unknown face, that's Anushka Sharma, who has entered at your house. Just a humor, and it's an unknown person that the device doesn't know. So basically, you can have some portfolios managed and have some photos recorded and already demanded by the model. Like behind is Arnav Rupde, he's the known person for the device, and this is Anushka Sharma, which is unknown for the device. And here we check out using this app, and the intruder is detected using this red sign. So now the user can go to the police station, click on it, and an SMS will be sent along with the GPS location, and the police can hurry up to this location and give you. So here we can see the fire is already detected with this red sign, and now we move on to the fire alarm, such that when the user clicks this button, a siren is rang at his home where the device is installed, so as to notify all the neighbors and the securities that there is some concern out there. So let's go on with this. and here we can see the fire predicted using this device. So now we'll click on the police station button to send an SMS to the police officer. As of now we have registered our mobile number as the police station number, so that an SMS would be sent along with the GPS location of my home. And here I click on it, and here we see, and here we can see the SMS has been sent, and here we can see the SMS has been received to the police station using fast SMS API. Let's zoom it and open the message what it's written. And here we can see the SMS just received at 7:52. Suspicious activity detected, and our device has been detecting a robbery. Your quick assistance is required, and the GPS location is this, so that the police or the CID team can reach as soon as possible. After seeing all the three parameters, the fire, the weapon, the intruder, we now move to see virtually the live home. And since we are away from it, so we click on the live view here, and here we open it. The stream is taking some time. I hope so you can see that thief in my home. Yeah, I guess I can see my home, the status, the fire, the thief that's located there, and that's enough. From the live view I can easily get to what's happening in my home virtually, even though I'm not connected to it. And this is what we say leveraging over the connected devices.